Bihar Sports Academy, ushering in a new era of sports excellence, transforming Bihar's sporting landscape. Located in Rajgir, the academy offers training in 24 sports disciplines with top-notch facilities and scientific training. It is coupled with Bihar Sports University, aiming to elevate sports education and research while fostering a vibrant sports culture. This world-class facility caters to aspiring athletes and positions Bihar as a potential host for major sporting events. A landmark inauguration. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar inaugurated the state's first sports academy and sports university, marking a new era in Bihar's sporting history. Spanning 90 acres in the ancient city of Rajgir, the International Sports Complex is unique in India, offering simultaneous training in 24 sports disciplines with comprehensive facilities, including training grounds, accommodations, and medical care, elevating Bihar's sporting status. This complex serves as a transformative resource, elevating Bihar's standing in the national sporting landscape. The main stadium can accommodate approximately 50,000 spectators, while smaller stadiums can host 10,000. Athletes have access to internationally recognized scientific training and state-of-the-art facilities, including an athletics track, football stadium, hockey turf, swimming pool, and more. An international standard cricket stadium is also under construction, with completion expected by June 2025. A vision for the future. This academy, in conjunction with Bihar Sports University, is set to elevate sports education and research to new heights. Bihar's government is committed to fostering a vibrant sports culture and nurturing athletes capable of competing internationally. This initiative demonstrates Bihar's capability to host major sporting events, marking the beginning of a golden chapter in the state's sporting history. A growing sports ecosystem. The growth of sports has created numerous opportunities, with sports increasingly seen as a viable career path. Professionals from diverse backgrounds are embracing the sporting landscape, highlighting the potential for India to become a sports powerhouse. By attracting top talent and fostering a supportive ecosystem, the nation can drive economic growth and promote social well-being. Building a supportive sports environment. To encourage sports careers, schools must provide career counselors, sports exploration programs, and access to support entities, especially for competitive sports. Community engagement is also vital for sustaining local sports initiatives, ensuring alignment with the needs and aspirations of the people.
To have more such discussions and analysis, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications on our upcoming videos.